All right, let's see if we can make this be okay. I know it's got a lot more lines. I would like to see them get in there, but I still think it'll work. I think I'll tie up that line. After I put this on, the next thing is going to be able to bleed the brakes, and then that involves getting the brake bleeder valve loose on the caliper. That'll be the next big challenge, because sometimes you can't get it. Sometimes that'll be rusted and you can't get that loose. Hopefully that oil that I squirted on the back of them calipers the other day will help with that. So let's see. Sorry, bump y'all a little bit. What I'm going to be doing is something kind of like this. And that line's going to come over and down onto that other connection there. Amazing I can do this with one hand, ain't it? Some of y'all can't do this with two hands. Yeah. Let's see, now this one is going to come down into here. And I'm going to have to put a little bend in it. But that bend is also going to help keep it up kind of back there against the fender well. So I'm going to put you down while I do this. So that's kind of what that's going to look like. And I'll push this all back a little more. This side here is against rubber. This is this. I might stick a little piece of rubber behind that piece where these two pieces come close to each other. But this will bend a little bit more. But I want to go ahead and get this thread started a little better before I start bending on it. So, I checked my watch, see how my time's holding up for my doctor's appointment, but I'm going to refill the brake cylinder up here, and I'm going to squirt a bunch of never sees on the brake bleeder valves to get it loosened up. If it's time to go, I'll let that soak while I'm gone. If it's not, I'll see if I can get it loose before I leave. A rag, I'll use it for that somewhere. Starting to get a little chilly, so it's probably a pretty good time to go see the doctor. Get the tank to warm up a little bit. I bet it wouldn't matter if I put dot 3 or dot 4 in this Jeep. Older than this. Maybe it's telling me over here on the cap. I'm going to put in it. Don't lose very much. Use only dot 3. Okay. Plenty of dot 3 here. And I'll let that sit while I locate the bleeder valve on the back of that caliper. That. Usually it's sticking out here somewhere. Not up in here. Not over in here. I might have to get under it to sign it. I'll put y'all over here for a minute.